All right, welcome back. We're looking at Lesson 12, Module 1, Topic E, Lesson 12. We're going to multiply decimal fractions by single-digit whole numbers, including the use of estimation to confirm the placement of the decimals. Okay, so this is a fairly easy lesson. If you know your basic facts, or if you have access to your basic facts, you can do this fairly quickly. So it says, choose a reasonable product for each expression. Then it says, explain your thinking in the space below using words, pictures, or numbers. So let's look at A here. So it says 2 and 1/10 times 3. Well, I know that that's around 2 times 3. And I know that 2 times 3 is equal to 6. So my answer to 2 and 1/10 should be slightly above 6. And I know that the only one of these four numbers that's slightly above 6 is what? Hopefully you said 6 and 3/10. If you notice, when I multiply 2 times 3, I get 6. So 2 times 3 is 6. I didn't multiply the 1/10 times 3. So 1/10 times 3 would be 3/10. That's my 3/10 right there. All right, let's look at B. So I have 4 and 27/100 times 6. Well, I know that 4 and 27/100 is around 4, and 4 times 6 would be 24. Which one of my options is around 24, or closest to 24? Hopefully you said 25 and 62 hundredths. It's the only number that makes sense, because if I had 6 people and each person had $4.27, they would all together have around $24. The only number that's around 24 is the 25 and 62 hundredths. Last but not least, let's look at C. So I have 7 times 6 and 53 thousandths. So this is around 7 times 6. It's around 7 times 6. So I know that my answer to 7 times 6 is 42. So I know that the answer to 7 times 6 and 53,000 should be around 42. The only one that's around 42 is 42 and 371 thousandths. All right, last but not least, D reads 9 times 4 and 82 hundredths. I know that that's around 9 times 5. Think about it. If you have $4.82, you almost have $5. So if 9 people had $4.82, I can say 9 people have around $5. All right? And we know 9 times 5 is equal to 45. So the only answer that makes sense out of these four would be which one? Hopefully you said 43 and 38 hundredths. All right? Now let's go back and take a look at, we'll just do these last two here. If I was to take my decimal away, what would I have to multiply 6 and 53 thousandths by to get rid of my decimal? I would have to multiply by thousands, because thousands is my smallest unit. So now I have this number here, and I could say 6,053 thousandths. Right? And then I'll multiply it by 7. Now 21, 7 times 5 is 35, plus 2, 37. Bring the 3 down because we don't have. 7 times 0 is 0, plus my 3. Then I have 6 times 7 is 42. So I know that I would have 42,371 thousandths. So if it's thousandths, I know it has to be, my 1 would have to be in my thousands place. So I know that that would be my answer there. Right? When I got rid of my decimal, I moved it 1, 2, 3 places. When I bring it back, 1, 2, 3 places. All right, same thing here. If I have 482 hundredths times 9, I'll say 9 times, remember our decimal was here, we multiplied it by 100 to get rid of it. So that's why I no longer have a decimal in this standard algorithm problem. Say 9 times 2 is 18. 9 times 8 is 72 plus 1, 73. 9 times 4 is 36 plus 7 is 43. So I know that I would have 43, but I have to bring that decimal back. Remember, we multiplied by 100 to get rid of it, so I'm going to divide by 100 to bring it back. It'll be right there. All right, boys and girls, hope that helped. That was a quick 5-minute video. Please add something in the comments to let me know that this is helping you. And I appreciate everybody who would like to subscribe to the videos. Continue to work hard and let's continue to see success. Happy learning.